Hey YouTube, welcome back with another jewelry jar unboxing. I picked this up, I think I've had this about 2 weeks, and I paid, this one was $24.99 at my local thrift store. And I just wanted to, I started opening, I was like, okay, well, let me film it. And I just wanted to go, I was kind of cleaning up my jewelry from the other video. And if you go back and look at that video, I showed y'all a bracelet, a silver cuff, and y'all look how it cleaned up. I got a, oh, I don't see it. Let me see. I went and bought this silver jewelry, this jewelry polishing cloth from Kohl's. And I mean, if you go back and look at the video, it was dirty. You couldn't really even see the marks on it, but look how well that cleaned up. This is a size 8. But anyway, let's get back to that. If you're interested in purchasing anything, you can let me know below, or my email is slcalvin1@gmail.com. I sell on Poshmark, eBay, and Mercari, and Depop. Poshmark is at Sheree13. eBay, well, I'll have everything listed below. Like I said, I spent $24.99 on this jar at my local thrift. And let's get started. I had already started because at first I wasn't going to film, but I was like, let me just film some of it because I do like watching the jewelry videos. And it does take a long time, y'all, to post some of this stuff. And I felt like the price is pretty good. I looked through here and I saw some real pretty colored beads or necklaces. I wasn't sure the name of them or if they're branded or whatever, but I was like, let me get it. It's just $24.99. So, okay, we're gonna take a look here. Here, stuff is falling out. In here, interested to see what that is. And so let's get started. Okay, gonna pull some stuff out. Hope there's some good stuff in here. Okay. So I pulled a lot of stuff. Oh. Okay. And I only want to make this video 30 minutes, y'all. So it may be a part 2. Let's see. Okay. Let's get started. So this is a gold tone bracelet with a heart. Okay. Like I said, let me know if you're interested in any of these things. I saw these beads through the... I'm talking out of my nose, y'all, because I'm recovering from a very bad cold. Upper respiratory infection. Okay, so this is not branded, but look at those colors on here. It's not marked, but it's real pretty with the little hook. Okay, let's see. Oh, this is pretty. How does, oh, this is marked. With the type of hook. So I think that's vintage. Again, y'all, I'm just learning about jewelry, so be nice. This is Monet. White and gold tone. Kind of like a choker style necklace. If you hear something squeaking in the background, that's my dog playing with his toy. That's pretty. Okay. This. Let's see. This is branded. Kara NYC. No, Kara NY. Okay. Okay, guys, I'm back. Had a little coughing spell there. This is a very pretty necklace. Then this is Kara NY. Real pretty bead stone. Okay, this is another one. I saw this through the jar as well. These are some real pretty colored beads. Ooh, gold tone. It has this hook. This is, oh, this is LC. Oh, are these little LCs on around? That's cute. I think that's Liz Claiborne. Okay. Okay, here is a really pretty. I guess this has some wear on it because it kind of looks gold. Oh, it's gold, like an antique gold. Sorry, y'all. Been sick. With some nice silver gold. It's silver and gold. Nice faceted beads. It's also branded. This says, I didn't even know they sold jewelry. Jones, New York. That's pretty. I was thinking about doing a statement necklace video. So here is just a gold tone necklace that is unbranded. No, you would have to play with this to make it lay flat on your neck, but it probably could make a very good layering piece. This is, hold on. Well, okay, this one came out. Let's see what this is. This is some faux pearls. Yeah, these are faux pearls. Really short necklace with silver beads. Okay. Okay, let's go back to this one. This says, oh, this is Liz Claiborne. Liz Claiborne, okay? So it says, there is a purpose for every season. Yes, it is. With antique gold and bronze beads. Oh, look at that little star and moon. I'm not sure. I mean, is it broken? I don't think so. I guess you just kind of hook it on here. Oh, hook it here? Let's see. All right, yeah, hook it there. Okay. That's pretty. Again, let me know below if you're interested in any of this. Or you can send me an email at slcalvin1@gmail.com. This is just a gold tone wire necklace. That's pretty. And I will give you a reasonable offer. We can negotiate. This is a, I'm not sure if this is real suede, but it's a gold and brown, gold tone, brown suede. I guess this is a bracelet with the toggle hook. And do I have, okay, here it is. Six and 3/4. That's cute. Okay. Put that there. Here is, I believe I have this necklace already. Let's see, it has some gold tone. This is Loft. Need a little cleaning up. These are supposed to be like little plastic flowers. Oh, it's missing a stone here. Okay. And that'll go into craft, or I might keep that myself. Here. Okay, here's some little snakes. If you like snakes. Oh, this is cute. If you like snakes. And if I can get it to go or lay right. Oh, this is cute. Can y'all see that? That's a cute little piece if you want to go out on the town. Now, it does seem to be a piece missing here, but I do think you can get away with that. So let me know if that's something you are interested in. I think that's the only piece that's missing. And if I find it, I would include it. Okay, let's grab some more. Okay, here is a little wire bracelet. Not bracelet, I'm sorry. A wire necklace. This is pretty. This is, oh, it's not, it's like a, it's not wired, y'all. It's a little ribbon. Roped ribbon. Little flower. It's pretty. And this is some faux pearls that need to be cleaned up. I'm not sure if that's makeup or not, y'all. So they need a little wipe down. Well, it's not pearls. But it's like a little choker. It's definitely a choker. White and gold tone. Okay, what else? What is this? Navy blue is one of my favorite colors. And we got some tangles. Oh, there we go. Let's put that here. So this is a very, y'all, I should have brought my, hold on to make sure it's not broken. How does this go? Okay, so it is a Lucky brand, but let's see how does it go. Oh, wait, I'm sorry. Need more room here. Okay, I think I kind of have it. Okay, I was like, this is the longest necklace I've seen. But it is a double, how many strands? So I'm gonna try to get it all in here. Okay, so this is, I'll show you this first. This is a navy blue and silver pendant. It's pretty on the back too. It has a little rhinestone here. Okay, that's the main chain. And then it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the Lucky Brand symbol. Okay, and the chains are shaped differently. That's pretty. Very boho. Hope y'all can see that. Okay. That's pretty. I like that. Here we have a gold and black and gold. Is this name signed? Yes, it is. It is. Robert somebody, y'all. Robert Rose. Can y'all see that? Probably not. There we go. Can you see it? So this is black and gold. It's in pretty good shape. Choker style necklace with some gold faceted beads, black and silver. That's pretty. Okay. This is just a gold tone necklace. It is not marked, with some acrylic and faceted beads, gold and clear. This kind of looks like almost rose gold, but I don't think it is. Very dainty and pretty. Okay, let's see. Got a nice bracelet. Oh, this is Talbert's. Does that say? Yeah, Talbot's. This is a nice stretch bracelet. We are sitting at 6.5, and it goes to like a 7 1/4. This is pretty. Really good stretch. It's pretty. Okay. And this is, I saw this through the, it was peeking through. And this is a Halloween bracelet. It still has the thrift store tag on it. Let's see. With the ghosts and goblins. You see those? And bats. Is that a white bat? And yeah. It's real pretty. So 6 inches to about a 6 3/4, okay? Is this glass? Yeah, this is glass. This is, oh, so this is another Lucky Brand piece. I think does it match this other piece? I mean, you could wear it, right? So this is Lucky Brand. Okay, this is, This is a 7 1/2 bracelet. Okay, that's cute. I would probably sell this as a set. Yes. I think all the rhinestones are there. Yes. Okay. Here's a earring. Okay, this is a necklace. I almost thought this was J. Crew because this is usually what they use, but I think somebody just took it off to make this necklace. See that? It's pretty. It's hand knotted in between. Okay, y'all. Here is another black and gold. Does show some wear, but it's not bad. Black and gold bracelet. 6 1/2. Here is a, oh, we're here. Look at these. It's cute. It's almost like an iridescent. You see that? How it kind of changed colors. It's cute. Okay, here is another necklace. Like a bib style necklace. I'm trying not to take all day with the videos, guys, so I can't really straighten everything out like I want to. But you definitely will have to flip this stuff over and put it right before you lay it on your neck. But you kind of get the drift from here, what it looks like. It is black. This is pretty. And clear faceted teardrop type beads. That's pretty. Showed you my earrings. I like those. This is a silver tone. What? Okay. Does it go this way? It may be reversible. Silver tone. Oh, got another Lucky Brand necklace. Silver tone. It's a little bit of, needs to be polished up, but you can wear it on that side. So I guess it was reversible. Pretty. Okay, this is something. Y'all, I feel like I'm talking out of my nose, so please excuse me. I do believe this is marked, but I can't see. I'm not sure, you guys. Okay. I'm not even, yeah, this is like a gunmetal. I'm not really sure about this, guys. That one, I'm not sure. Okay, this is Charming Charlie. I think this is their vintage one, like when they first started this. See? Because I had another necklace that I had to look up. But this is weird. I guess it's, why does it have two clasps? Okay, I don't know about that one. Here is another silver tone. It's too worn, y'all. Too worn. Okay, here is, whatever it is, it needs to be cleaned. But it's like a antique, like a what you call this. It needs to be cleaned up, you guys. Would you say this is brass chain necklace with some beads, some faceted, some smooth, some textured, gold and black. This is Coldwater Creek. Okay, that's very cute. Very cute necklace, okay? Y'all, I may have to stop because I do not want this video to be so long. Oh, man, I'm just getting the Lucky Brand necklaces today. I have a bunch already on my site, and I bought some off of Shop Goodwill. I think it was 9 necklaces and a bracelet a while back. I just hadn't... I opened the box to make sure they were all there and put it back in my closet. Okay, this is another look. Well, maybe that necklace. Oh, y'all. Okay, this goes with this. Okay. Okay, so this goes with this. Okay, so I won't be selling that as a set. This goes with this. Cute. So it's a bib style necklace, silver tone, and navy blue. This is a true navy blue. It looks a little dark. Well, no, that's the color. Very pretty. Okay. Got a few. I think I'm gonna lot these bracelets together, you guys. This is black faceted beads. Small though. 6 3/4. If you're interested in that. This is just some faux pearl. 6 1/4. And here is another one. What is this, a flower or a brain? I don't know. Brain. I'm a nurse, y'all. Okay, so yeah, I think I'm gonna lot these bracelets together if you're interested. Okay, we found an earring. It's pretty color. Another bracelet. Not sure about the stretch on that one. Here's another necklace. You know, I look at some of the videos and they holler out these prices for their subscribers, which I will do and have done. But I'm really, you know, sometimes I have to look things up. I'm really unsure. So this is really pretty. Black and faux pearls. We really need to look and make sure all of the stones are there. And I just can't do this in like 15 seconds. So, okay. Let's try. I'm just going to take another handful, and then I think this will be it. Oh, it just keeps on coming. Lord. Okay. Oh, gosh. Let's see how quickly we can get through this. I have more. Yeah. Maybe I should put some back. Okay. We're going to go through this fast, y'all. So it's this green beaded bracelet. It's about a 7. Okay. This bracelet here stretches good. 6 1/4. This is so cute. Faux pearls. in some type of color rhinestone. This is 7 3/4 or 8. Okay, here is another. It says made in Italy. Something. Merino glass. It's pretty. 6.5. Okay, let's see what we can get out of here. Oh, this is tangled. It's tangled. I hate mixing with tangles really quick, so I may leave that alone. Okay, I'm pull something else, you guys. I would hate to have a nice piece and then, you know, break it trying to get it out. Trying to get it out quickly. Okay, here is another necklace. These are little purple, blue, yellow, and green beads. This is a silver tone necklace. I do not believe this is signed. I believe this was made, but it's very cute. Here is another beaded. This is like a light blue and pewter type necklace, bib style necklace. Oh, this is signed. This is by Zap. I never heard of it, but it's cute nevertheless. Here are, look at this, some Cheeto Puff earrings. This is, got a little bit of wear on here. I don't know, I'll try to shine it up if I can. So I'll go ahead and show it. What is this? Oh, got a little nice cameo. Bird, a key, a rose, butterfly. This is pretty. And it's not signed. That's pretty. So I need to investigate it a little bit more. It's very pretty. The heart, yeah. Look at the cameo. Okay. I have to look that up. There was something in there. Was another cameo that I saw and I was very interested in. Maybe it's in this pile. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Here is another tangle. Oh, okay. It came loose. Another beaded necklace, silver tone. Goes, I don't know. That, oh, here, you're here. It has a like a 3-inch extender, so that's better. Okay. So take a good look at that if you're interested. Real pretty colors. I'm not sure what this is. It's pretty. You know, this is a hot tangle mess. I was looking for that cameo, and I think I was going to end it after I showed that, but I don't see it now. Did I leave it in here? Oh, here it is. So, guys, that's a big tangle mess over there. But I did want to see this one. So, this will be a part 2 video. But I saw a cameo. This looked really, really pretty. And this is part of one of the reasons why I bought it. And it is marked. Can y'all see it? It is marked. But I can't read that. Can you read that? Okay. Oh, Extasia? Extasia. Extasia. This is an odd chain. But this is pretty. Anybody know about Extasia? I will after this video. All right, you guys, pretty. I'm going to end with that because I have this tangled mess here. And then I still have some more, so we'll make another video. I have about 3 more jars. I try to go to my local thrifts once or twice a week, and they usually don't have jars. This thrift store, I've been going to this thrift store, I know about 3 or 4 or 5 months, and I never saw a jar, so they just started having them. So if they're reasonably priced, I will pick it up and just put it away. If you saw my short, that's my short. They had a jar full of watches for $300, $299. I thought that was insane, but I mean, I was still wondering what they had in the jar. So anyway, if you're interested in anything, just leave me a comment below or send me an email, slcalvin1@gmail.com. That's SLCALV as in Victor, IN 1@gmail.com. Also, if you request something here, it'll be a lot cheaper than once I post it. Because again, once you post, take pictures, research it, take pictures, put everything down. You have to add a little bit more cost for your time. So again, if you've seen anything, let me know. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and like this channel. I've been on YouTube, y'all, for about 10 years doing purse reviews and what's in my bag. My other channel is Scorpio MissSouthernGirl.com. No, Miss Southern Girl. That's all it is, Miss Southern Girl. So I've been on here a long time. So I'm looking for engagement. Let me know what you thought of this jar thus far. Do you think this was an okay jar for $24.99? I thought it was pretty good. I know I can make my money back. All right. Thank you for watching, and you have a great weekend. Bye-bye.